Hello everyone, and here we are at HardOps 988_2. For this particular update, we tried to keep things small. We wanted to begin shrinking in our operations just to ensure that we were staying congruent with Blender and not going for things too ambitious while Blender is being rather unstable. So you might notice that from here things began getting a little less as far as what we're attempting to accomplish, because we feel that the majority of the tool is set in place, and really all we're doing now is refining and correcting things that have possibly been broken through time, because features are never added broken, of course, but they do get broken by time, and the more features that we add, the more that time seems to impact them. So the whole purpose of the study has been to demonstrate how features are impacted by time in the form of a release log, but it shows that we have been fairly impervious to time thanks to diligent work of the team, but work still continues with how to make it even more robust and last even longer.